Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Meron ako ipapakita sa inyo na mangyayari pala this coming May 15, 2026. Mangyayari talaga ito guys kasi it was already signed by the President of the United States of America. And I am referring to itong presidential action or proclamation ng President last May 4, 2026. Tingnan natin. Puntahan natin yung official website ng White House. Okay, you can search it whitehouse.gov. So doon natin makikita yung mga news, yung mga ginawa ng presidente by dates, no? Bawat araw na ginawa ng presidente, doon nila nilalagay para merong reference yung mga tao, makikita nila ano yung mga proclamations ng presidente. Okay, tingnan natin. Ito, the White House. Gusto kong basahin natin yung tungkol sa May 4, 2026 na nilagdaan ng presidente. At ito ay tungkol sa Jewish American Heritage Month 2026. Kasi mangyayari ito ngayong May 15. Exactly sa petsa na itinakda ng mga time setters na mag-second coming na daw. Na kung saan wala namang basihan sa Bible. Kahit nga yung una nilang mga hinula-hula na mga events is hindi rin nagkakatotoo. May 1, magsasandilo daw. May 1, pouring out of the Holy Spirit. May 1, close of probation. May 8, start of the 7 last plagues. Walang nangyari. Okay? Walang nangyari. Ngunit, ngayon ay talagang solid pa rin sila na naniniwala na May 15, 2026 ay second coming. Ngunit hindi yan talaga mangyayari. Kung hindi naman mangyayari yung mga unang mga events na binanggit ko kanina, hindi talaga mangyayari ang second coming kung hindi mangyayari yung mga events na iyon. Okay, punta tayo sa siguradong mangyayari talaga ngayong May 15. Ito, Jewish American Heritage Month. Tingnan natin sa loob. This was proclaimed May 4, 2026. Tingnan natin, by the President of the United States of America. A proclamation. Okay, gusto kong diretso na natin ito doon sa pinakapunto na gusto ko. Kasi marami pang sinasabi si President Trump dito with regards sa history ng Jewish-American relationship from the start 1790 by the President George Washington. Meron siyang mga sinasabi dito sa history ng Jewish-American. Tapos gusto kong i-highlight dito sa baba is ito. Ito na part na ito. Okay, dito tayo mag-start na magbasa. Throughout this historic year, we rejoice in the triumph of the American spirit and rededicate ourselves to the cause of liberty and justice for all. In special honor of 250 glorious years of American independence and on the weekend of Rededicate 250, a national jubilee of prayer, praise, and thanksgiving, that is, the Jewish Americans are encouraged to observe a national Sabbath. Anong Sabbath na ito, guys? This is not yet the false Sabbath of which we expect. We expected from the image of the beast to be proclaimed, and that is the Sunday law. No, this is not. This is not the false Sabbath or the spurious Sabbath. This is actually the seventh day Sabbath of the fourth commandment. Bakit? Ito, sabi niya, from sundown on May 15 to nightfall on May 16. And that is the seventh day Sabbath. tinatawagan ni Presidente yung lahat ng mga Jewish Americans at in-encourage niya na i-observe natin itong National Sabbath, of which it will fall on May 15, 2026. Ha? Parang unusual, di ba? Bakit? Kasi coming from we believed from the Bible prophecy to be the image of the beast. And then, ngayon, nag-encourage sa mga Jewish Americans na mag-observe ng National Sabbath, of which it is the seventh day Sabbath of the fourth commandment. Kasi it is actually the proper observance of the duration of the Sabbath from sundown of the Friday until the sundown of Saturday. Yan yung sinasabi niya, sundown on May 15, kasi May 15 Friday yan, and then May 16 is Saturday. So that is actually the 24-hour proper observance of the Sabbath. Pasabi niya, friends, families, and communities of all backgrounds may come together in gratitude of our great nation. This day will recognize the sacred Jewish tradition of setting aside time for rest, reflection, and gratitude to the Almighty. Oh, parang nag-iba ang ihip ng hangin, di ba? We expected from this image of the beast na talagang Sunday, Sunday talaga to yung mga advocate niya, Sunday. Pero ngayon, parang biglang nag-ihip yung hangin, no? Bigla niyang ini-encourage yung mga tao na mag-observe kayo ng Sabbath. Tapos, anong sabi dito sa baba? This month, kaya itong May, this month of which May 15, we celebrate the contribution that Jewish Americans have made to our way of life. We honor their role in shaping the story of our nation, and we remember that religious devotion, learning, and service to others are enduring pillars of a thriving culture. Through every trial and triumph, the contributions of Jewish Americans have shaped our past, have strengthened our communities, and will continue to inspire American greatness for generations to come. Now, therefore, I, Donald J. Trump, President of the United States of America, by virtue of the authority vested in me by the Constitution and the laws of the United States, do hereby proclaim May 2026 as Jewish American Heritage Month. Tapos anong sabi niya? I call upon Americans to celebrate the heritage and contributions of Jewish Americans and to observe this month with appropriate programs, activities, and ceremonies. And this is the keyword. I further call on all Americans. He encouraged not only the Jewish Americans, but all the Americans to celebrate their faith and freedom throughout this year, during this month, and especially on Shabbat, to celebrate our 250th year. Anong masasabi niyo dito? This will happen on May 15, 2026. Hindi second coming ni Jesus Christ yung mangyayari. Kasi walang walang basis yun sa salita ng Panginoon. Walang basis yun. Pero ito, talagang mangyayari ito kasi it was pronounced by the President of the United States of America, na kung saan tinatawagan niya lahat ng mga Americans na makiselebrate tayo doon sa faith and freedom na nakuha natin and sa tulong ng mga Jewish American. So ngayon, ano kaya ang agenda na ito? Again, this is not yet This is not yet the image of the beast. This is not yet the Sunday law, because this Sabbath is not the spurious or the false Sabbath. It is the seventh day Sabbath on the fourth commandment, na Shabbat. Okay? So, ano kaya ang hidden agenda dito? Ito na kaya yung sinasabi sa salita ng Panginoon na say peace and safety, and then destruction cometh, and sudden destruction cometh. Ito na kaya yon? Ha? So, malalaman natin yan. No? So, I encourage everybody to follow our video para masundan ninyo yung mga pangyayari. Masundan natin yung mga news and current events from the foreign lands sa pamagitan ng pagtingin natin sa kanilang mga websites, kasi ito lang naman talaga yung ating way na makaalam tayo sa mga pangyayari doon, no? So blessed tayo dito sa internet, sa mga instrument na ginagamit natin para makaalam tayo kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa ating paligid, no? So I believe ito ay mangyayari talaga on May 15, 2026, hindi yung second coming. Kasi yung second coming na May 15, 2026 ay false preaching yun. Yung nagtuturo niyan ay mga false teacher. Okay? So ito, update sa gabing ito and sa araw na ito tungkol sa mga mangyayari sa May 15, 2026. It is proclaimed Jewish American Heritage Month, proclaimed by the President of the United States of America. It is fall on Sabbath day Yud, no? The seventh day Sabbath, May 15, sundown, and till May 16, sundown. Alright? So, ito lang yung maibigay ko na mga updates ngayon, and sana magsubaybay kayo sa ating mga videos. Thanks for watching. God bless. Amping and ampo kanunay.